Yo guys, it's Tien and I'm going to show you how you can turn your car touchscreen into a Android tablet like this one here, and all you need is this little device over here called the Mgears Mstick 4, and literally just like that you have got an Android tablet on your car. Literally you can watch Netflix, Disney Plus, you can go on Google Chrome, you can do anything you want because it's literally an Android tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can get this and how easy it is to set up and go through how great it is. So stay tuned. Right, so let's get straight into the unboxing. Here it is. So it is a product that's from a company called Mgears, or Mgears Mstick 4, or whatever you'd like to call it. This is it really here, Mgears Go. We've got Google Play and Apple App Store, so you can download it on multiple different apps. Not much going on here. You can also see tutorial and videos from them by scanning the QR code. Scan the QR code at the back to help set up your Mstick. It comes, it's got a bit of specs over here. So we've got 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of ROM, which is pretty impressive. This device basically, as you saw, turns your, this is a very tight box actually. It basically turns your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay OEM system into a full-on Android tablet, basically a full-on Android powered OS system. Here we have like a quick use manual, so we do have it in different languages, but if you go back over here we got it in English. So it's pretty simple. It looks like a 5-step way of connecting it, and for connecting it for BMW vehicles it is a little bit different, so make sure you read the manual. Pretty simple, pretty good. So here we have it here. We got the actual device itself. It's pretty lightweight, not much to it honestly. We've got the Mgears logo at the front over here. We've got like an LED indicator. On the side over here we've got a micro SD card slot. And we've also got a nano SIM card slot as well, so you can put 5G on this as well. We've got some ventilation over here, so to help with cooling. Over here we've got some sort of power switch and probably a selecting switch and some sort of stickers, or what is that? I have no idea what that is. It's just some sort of sticker. I'm assuming this is probably a microphone, and then this is probably a speaker, or maybe some more ventilation. And then on the bottom over here, I'm guessing this is another microphone maybe. And then we've got what looks to be a USB Type-C, which is probably the power adapter. On the back over here, we have the Avios Stick 4 and just a few information on the back over here. So let's go ahead and let's have a look at what we got for cable-wise. They did also include a separate cable, so they gave this one over here as well, which is a USB Type-C to a power source USB Type-A. And a media source USB Type-A, so it splits like that. I'm not too sure what this may be used for or what vehicles, but it's nice that it came included just in case you do need it. In the actual packaging itself, we've got a normal USB Type-A to USB Type-C connector, which is really nice to have. We also got a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And then we also got a SIM card tray to get that SIM card out if you're going to want to put one in. And I'll just show you right now how simple it is to take that out. It literally just push it in there, it pushes out. We'll need a bit of nails to pull it out, and I don't have that great nails, but it will come. There you go. And there's your nano SIM card slot right there. So there you go. Let's go ahead and let's set it up and go through more in depth of what it looks like and how you can use it. So here we have the Android system. It is running Android 13, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. So if we go on down to About Tablet, so it thinks it's a tablet, and we can see over here Android version 13. So it is running Android 13. It's pretty much literally a Android tablet, like a basic standard Android tablet, and it works really well. It's super smooth, it's super responsive. You can even do really cool things like set your favorite keys. So over here you've got the back, home and recents button. You also got a star, and you can also move these buttons on this side if you want. And the star I set as Google Maps, so it will load up Google Maps for me straight away. Device dark themes will automatically turn on so you can continue maps. Boom, boom, boom. Or you can do it same as device theme. So it's pretty cool. Press home, recent map, apps, you can literally close it all. You literally have Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus. You can play with all the Mgears settings here, so the Bluetooth brightness, app volume, split screen mode, so you can literally do that. And we can have, I don't know, let's say Google Chrome open on one, and let's say we have Maps open on one. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, the thing is we have touch button here, so I always keep touching off. Just press cancel, save. So you need to add the split screen to the home screen. So if you do that, and now that split screen should be on the home screen apparently. So if you click on that, and there you go, it literally splits the screen. So you can do split screen mode. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's really, really cool, and you can exit that as well, and then press and hold it. And of course, just like a normal Android tablet, press and hold, drag to remove. You got the Google Play Store, so you can download all your apps from the Google Play Store, TikTok, whatever you really want, games, anything. You can download anything from the Google Play Store. You also got YouTube as well, of course, the usual YouTube. Now I have updated the app, so they are probably doing updates right now. But you got the usual stuff like YouTube. You got Netflix, Disney Plus. Like, it is really, really cool. So I have to keep adjusting the brightness because the screen gets really bright. Because we are filming this in the dark. But it's pretty cool. Like, this is it. This is really simple as that. I'm connected to the hotspot on my iPhone right now, so that's how it's getting internet. But you can always put a SIM card in there if you wanted to always have internet, if you're going to use it quite often. But I prefer to just hotspot it. It's a lot easier, and it saves you buying another SIM card and another internet deal. But this is pretty much it with the device. I mean, let's see if we can play a video and see how it looks. Now, to avoid any copyright, we're going to play my own video. We're going to see where the audio comes out as well. Hopefully it comes out the car speakers. It should do if we're connected in through the Apple CarPlay. So let's go ahead and let's... Wow, these are some of my really old videos coming up over here. Damn, look at these guys. Let's see if we can go on my channel. How does that look? It's literally just like an Android tablet. Just like an Android tablet. So we've got all these ones that are going to premiere soon. We can watch how to get CarPlay on your YouTube. Let's see, what's this? What's that on your Tesla one? And yeah, audio comes out the car speakers. We can adjust the volume just like that, and that is the car volume bar on the top over there. It also lets you see the car cabin settings as well. So we've got 24 degrees, the speeds, fans pointing at the face and bottom. We've got the outside temperature, and we've got the car GPS coming up on the top as well, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put screen. Let's put this on full screen. We don't want to get any of these ads in really, so let's pause.
Android Auto.
There you go.
On your Tesla,
and it's working. It's pretty good as well. No lag, no issues. And you can go on settings. You've got the quality is 360p right now. You can change it to 1080p 60 frames per second. Let's see if that improves as the video goes on.
Tesla CarPlay kit. So this is
actually it does. There you go. Look at that. The quality is really good actually.
Tesla
and
CarPlay and
yeah,
Android Auto kit.
it's working really well. You can easily move it along. It's literally having a tablet on your screen. It's pretty cool. I mean, the only thing I can say is when you're using this, do be careful, guys. Don't get distracted from the road. Of course, safety is always first when you are doing stuff like this, when you're using apps like this. But I mean, it's endless. And let's see if you can even use the voice button for Google Assistant here. So let's try that out. Oh yeah, you can. Look at that. Try Gemini. Try now. You can even get Gemini on here. Look at that. Go ahead, accept this through. I hate all these terms and conditions. You always end up accepting it anyway. It says football because it's a random account I made for the box to test it out. So it says hello football. So let's go ahead and yeah, let's test this out. What's the weather like today?
Welling it's 8 and cloudy. Tonight, the forecast is around 7 degrees with showers.
Insane, look at that. That is so cool. And Gemini is the AI assistant, so you can literally ask it anything. So that's pretty cool. And then what you do is press the button here, and of course the volume controls the normal vehicle's volume. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you got Mgears settings here where you can play around with stuff. Different little settings over here, so you can do brightness control on and off, display size, whether you want it in tablet mode or not. Literally says safe driving mode for your safety video apps are restricted, and you can literally just turn that off. You can just turn that right off. But you know, be careful, guys. Obviously, again with the navigation bar, there's so many things you can do. The favorite button, you can choose any app that the favorite button opens. Decide what audio you want for your microphone or for your speakers. Yeah, there is so much settings you can do on this. And it's super easy, super simple to use, super smooth as well. You got Netflix on here. Let's give that a go. Let's see if that boots up. There you go. You got Netflix. You can literally do anything on here. So, I mean, I can't fault this device for the price it is, for how little and compact it is. You can literally just plug it in straight away, store it away, and it just starts working easy as that. If you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. It's just perfect. It solves a solution, you know what I mean? It solves a problem. Sorry, it doesn't solve a solution. How does that work? That wouldn't work. If it solved the solution, then the solution's already done, so why would you need to solve it? That made no sense. It solves a problem though. Definitely solves a problem, because I feel like CarPlay could be so much better if it was just Android. But obviously with this, it actually turns it into Android, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you are interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.